This looks lovely, dear.
Just a little more, and breakfast will be ready.
Oh, what a lovely morning! The rain feels so refreshing.
Oh, those were the days. We had so much fun.
Tell us another story, Grandpa.
Yes, please.
Ah, the fish is cooking perfectly.
And the curry smells wonderful, Amma. Kehwa is ready.
Oh, lovely.
It smells wonderful, my dear. Careful, it's hot.
Such a lovely morning, isn't it, dear?
Yes, the rain makes the garden so fresh. It's such a lovely morning, even with the rain. Look, the sun's coming out.